Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I wanted to share my last yard sale haul of the season. I'm in Arizona and we're coming to the time of the year when it's just too hot out for people to have yard sales. So yeah, this is my last haul until, next winter. And I'm super excited because I found some really good goodies this last round. So at the first yard sale, I was able to pick up 2 Cricut cartridges. The first one is the Straight from the Nest, and then the Ribbons and Rosette. And I have the old Cricut machine, so it still requires me to use the cartridges. So this was a great find. I picked up these 2 cartridges, and then I picked up this cool like branch type punch and this snowflake punch, and I got all 4 of these things for $10. Picked up these clear beads and then these like round ones, and this stamp set of this wedding one. This was $1 for all 3 of these. And then I found this Tim Holtz, I believe, is it a Tim Holtz? Oh yeah, it is. A Tim Holtz. This is the Prize Ribbons die cut. I didn't have this one and I found it for $1. So I was super excited about finding this score. Someone had all of these stickers. They were 25 cents each. I got all of these for $1. I actually have the paper that belongs to this this Easter sticker set, my Easter box where I have this paper. So there was this Easter one. We have this back to school, this travel one, another back to school. Put that with that one. We have the love, and I think I also have the paper set to this one, so I will put that. I think it's in my Valentine's Day stash. We have baby boy, so this will go in my boy baby boy collection, and another back to school. Then a little all boy one, so this will go in my boy collection. And then these super cute chipboard Christmas ephemera pieces. And who is this by? Oh, Graphic 45. So I do have some Graphic 45, but I don't think I have anything holiday, but this will just go into my Christmas stash. So I got all of those stickers. They were only $1. I picked up this paint chip paper pad. Colors match, so when you're like using, say, like the Cricut and you're doing layering, you just have to like put this one sheet on and you can cut all the pieces to the set. So I was very excited to find this, and I got this for $1. So yeah, this was like a great last minute yard sale haul. All right, thanks so much, you guys. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.